Glock 18, nigga run up and be going off. Give a fuck about that clip, man, I fuck it off. Give a fuck about them bitches that suck me off. Give a fuck about them racks, man, I fuck it off. There's so much on the flex, man, I fuck it off. There's so much on the act, man, I fuck it off. Give a fuck about that shit, man, I fuck it off. I fuck with your bitch, I fuck it off. So that bitch a little ring, I don't wipe off. My bitch got that thing in a Louis bag. Just some nigga 380 be letting off. See the hat, that jet, we skate, no. Only business I fuck him and didn't escape. Only business I fuck him, I cannot say. And I'm putting that straight on the interstate. Getting that bitch. Fuck through the dash, I be breaking that bitch. Hit your bitch from the back, I be breaking that bitch. Smoking that thrax, I be smoking that zip. That bitch on the trip, she be taking a trip. Rocking some bricks and he making them flip. Mama got 30s, he making shit flip. Before a bitch leave, I be making a strip. Can't trust a bitch, they'll leave with your shit. Say what shit, they gon' back with your shit. Pull up my whip, got a wing on that bitch. Nigga keep talking for wings on that bitch. I woke up and trust for bling on my wrist. And I got boys off a bling on my bitch. And I just go and drop 8 in my shit. Money on hands, drop 8 on his shit. You see me in public, I'm hopping out Porsches. I'm ballin' a bitch and it's nothing. I fuck around, how your ass fuck on my door. Roll up the dope, get it busted. I'm fucking this bitch cause he know that I'm bustin'. She fucking for nothing, that bitch is a dummy. You already know how we rockin'. Yes, we got cats and no hoes, we can't drop it. I fuck on your bitch, then I fuck it off. I fuck on your bitch, then I fuck it off. Give a fuck about that bitch, man, I fuck it off.